first walked in the door, even looking from the outside, it's amazing. It looks so nice. It was exciting walking in and seeing the facility.
My first thought was, wow, look at all those trucks. Like, this is huge, and it makes you feel like it's really happening. So it's exciting.
But we're really proud.
Yes.
I'm excited because I was here a month ago, and even since then, it's way different. It's rewarding to see all of the work that our employees have put into making this happen, and all of the employees are getting to see each piece of what they do come together into one final product.
I mean, today's a chance to show everybody in the organization how far we've all come. 12 months ago, we stuck the first piece of steel in the ground. 12 months later, we're gonna roll the first truck out the door. It's awesome.
It's been really cool to see them building the trucks and creating the processes. To finally see these trucks coming off, it's like dreams are finally coming true, you know?
We got 2 factories on 2 continents building this truck right here. And that's bad boy number 1 coming off today. It's just stunning to me to be here and see this today. It's just unbelievable. You have no idea how much it means. I mean, just July of 20, we were right here. And this was all just bare desert.
July 23rd, we had a groundbreaking ceremony here at Coolidge. At that time, the manufacturing team was 3 people. It's been 501 days since the groundbreaking. We're standing in a building right now that's 280,000 square feet. There's another 150,000 on the other side of that wall. And this week, we released an order to build the next 300,000 square feet. So thank you to everybody. It's such a great team.
There's literally hundreds of thousands of points that have to come together before a truck rolls out the door. It's really unbelievable that we can make this happen, right? And we're doing it faster than many.
I look back to that day 6 years ago when we were in a basement, just a handful of us in a basement. And here we are today. We're going to be producing this truck, we're going to be producing the fuel cell truck, and we're going to build both of these trucks in this factory. And by the time that truck rolls out of here, we're going to be mass producing hydrogen. This is a wildly historic day. As I walked in the building today, I felt some emotion. There's almost no way to explain the work of so many individuals in so many different places around the world who came together to make this real.
My wife's suffered through me my whole career. She knows this is what makes me who I am. Sorry. My son's here. He works for us. Doesn't get any better than that.
We're about to take that truck right there and drive it through that door right there. The first of the Nikola Tres in the world. Let's launch this bad boy. Line up, give it a nice lane all the way down there. Count it down with me. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rock and roll.
Days like today, we get to celebrate what we really have done, which is unbelievable. We're going to change the world.
We just finished our amazing end-of-line celebration right now. Trucks rolling off the line, but life at Nikola, it's back to work. Like, trucks getting loaded up right now. It's gonna go do some shakedown runs at our test facility before we deliver it to clients next week. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's an amazing race right now, and there are so many more milestones like this to come in the near future here.
1 year, 12 months from raw steel to this. That's startup speed, that's Nikola speed. That's how fast we're gonna change the world.